Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm really excited to introduce to you to my project, which is going to be an LT50 quad. Now these quads are brilliant, they're really reliable, but I've noticed there's not a lot on YouTube, about these quads. So I bought this quad to literally tear to pieces. I'm going to replace every bearing, I'm going to strip everything down, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it on YouTube. So let's take a little look at my new project.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so this is my new project. So I purchased this off a friend of mine a couple of days ago. I've been looking for something, that I can really sink my teeth into and, do some good videos on maintaining and repairing, and, I'm going to go right through this. So first thing I'd like to say, if anyone has any requests, this is the video. So obviously this is just an introduction. I thought I'd just show you around this quad, let you have a little look at it and see obviously where I'm starting from. And also if you've got any requests, so say you've got a quad and you want to know how to do a wheel bearing or how to clean a carb or anything you want to know, if you put it down in the comments, I will put that video priority on my list. My goal is to do a video every 2 weeks, but I'm going to try and push it to one a week. We'll see how we get on. But this is going to be a project over the next probably year or so. So, this isn't going to, just disappear. I'm going to keep at this, and ideally by the end, this quad is going to be fully restored. So I'm just going to show you around it now, and you can take a little look. I dragged it out in the sun earlier and took some nice little pictures of it, so you guys can have a good little look around it and just see what kind of condition it is. Right then guys, so yeah, as you can see, this does need a lot of work. I bought a quad in this condition on purpose. I wanted to, I wanted something I could really sink my teeth into, and I do believe this is a really popular quad that a lot of people have issues with. They are very, very, very reliable, but they do wear out. Like this one's got a hell of a lot of play in the headstock, and this needs bearings, and it could just do with a freshen up. So I'm going to be doing a step-by-step video on every individual repair to do on these quads, and like I said, just put it down in the comments. This is the video. If you have any suggestions, or if there's anything you want to do to your quad that you want to understand, put it down in the comments, and I will make that a priority, and I will try and make that my next video, or obviously depending on how many people I have requests from. But I am going to prioritize what people want to see, rather than what I choose to do. So like I say, everything's going to be done eventually. I am going to do a video on every corner of this quad, and then we'll see how we get on. I might start doing some performance enhancements and other things, but for the start, we're just going to do a bit of a recondition, and we're going to bring it all back to life. So yeah, like I say, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, because if you've got one of these quads, you're going to want to stay tuned, and you're going to want to see what we're getting up to. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I look forward to it.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.